Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. So in this video I will try to show you how you can install Inertia in your Laravel apps. So first of all, let me introduce you what is really Inertia Js. So Inertia is a JavaScript library which help us to use the traditional routing from the backend. If I say more specifically, when we use Vue or React, so for single page application, usually we use router.js. So the routing basically configured from the client side. So what it really feel struggle make the route authenticate while using the router.js. So I was looking for the options if there is anything exist, so I can use the traditional Laravel routing and use their default middleware on this on the Laravel apps. So I find this one, and I find this one very simple and straightforward. So what it really says in its documentation, JavaScript apps the monolith way. So what actually the monolith way in modern application? Monolithic application are basically is the app which routing and rendering both are controlled from the server side. So for this reason, monolithic is become very popular now because it have the full control and security from the backend side. So you can easily exploit the front end, but when it's from the backend, it's really is a very good thing. So it's not a framework. So not a framework, rather than it's a JavaScript library. Also, it has a backend adapter, so you can not only use it with the Laravel but also Rails and Phonics. So, but it's fine-tuned for the Laravel apps. Okay, so I will try to install it in a project.